Hi guys, in this tip I will explain to you how to apply and how to customize photographic edges. Photographic edges are usually images created using black and white pixels. If you want to try my photo edges, then look for the link in the description section on YouTube or on my blog, which is Design Easy. I will work in Photoshop, which is not ultimate requirement. You can follow first part of this tutorial with any photo editing software which supports layers and offers multiply and screen blending modes. So the first step is to download or get edges from the internet or try your hands and create some photo edges on your own. The second step is to open digital image in Photoshop or any other image editor. The third step is to place photo edges on layer above the image. There are many options to import image with edges. Copy paste method, drag and drop method, or use file place commands in Adobe Photoshop. The fourth step is to apply multiply or screen blend mode to layer with edges. Which blending mode to apply usually depends on dominant color. When black is dominant color, then use screen blend mode to hide black pixels. When white is dominant color, use multiply blend mode to hide white pixels on layer. Now let's move to more advanced topic where you need Photoshop. I will explain to you one of the ways to change edge color to any color of your choice. The first step is to apply normal blend mode to layer with edges or hide other layers in your document. Open Window Channels and switch to Channels panel. Hold down Ctrl or Command and click on RGB channel to load light portion as selection. Go back to Layers panel and create layer mask for layer with edges. In this case, I will need to invert layer mask by pressing Ctrl or Command plus I keyboard shortcut. Turn on visibility of layer with the image. The next step is to convert layer with edges to Smart Object layer. Double-click on the side to open Layer Style dialog or right-click outside of thumbnail and choose Blending options. Select Color Overlay, Gradient Overlay or Pattern Overlay effect. I will use Color Overlay. Click on Color Chip and change color. Confirm twice using OK button and you are done. Thanks for watching and cheers. If you like my videos, please share them with your friends and subscribe to my channel.